Now, what would be nice is if we could put this bottle thing over here and put this up there.
Okay, so we need to back it up to the beam.
Good.
Back it up, back it up. Take that out of ocean.
Oh yeah. Oh, I was a little bit worried when you had the rack leaned up against that ladder. But hey, you guys are professionals. You know what you're doing.
Everything has a limit.
Like that, and he wings it at the kids. He's like, if you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
Yes, I do remember this.
Well, there's more motivation dodging the wrench, I guess.
You know what that noise is?
Nothing wrong with it. That's not the wheel bearing. That's.
Middle, set that ladder right in the middle. Just like that. And we'll see if we always got big sea clearances for the chest, but capacitor.
Thinking of new names for his boat. Flux capacitor, max volt.
I'm all in for the flux capacitor, I tell you.
I just put 1.21 gigawatts on the side.
No, I think flux capacitor is about right. It's definitely got that look.
Maybe put a rope on it.
Yeah, put a rope on that end because it's got to balance it out.
Go to the front, check it because the front's not high. It's a little bit high.
It's still clear. All that matters. Do you want those plastic washers in there too?
No, not right now.
Okay.
We'll all get closer.
Oh yeah. 70 and a half.
70 and a half. 70 is good.
That's at an angle, it's not vertical.
Yes, 70's good.
Yeah. Is out there better?
It's all 70's perfect.
Ah. Yeah,
put a little flat plate and bolt it right there.
Well, I don't think there's room to fit any more solar panels on the boat.
And now you can put the side curtains that fold up.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah. Don't get me started.
After flotation.
We'll pull one of the engines out and put an electric motor and just drive it from solar.
There you go.
That'd make the news. It's a good, healthy thing to do.
You need to come forward.
I'm moving forward.
Okay, and then forward. Okay, perfect. Just come forward, north to south.
You're talking to the building, I can't hear you.
This way.
I can see it over here.
Stop.
A little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much centered at the bow.